Hello and welcome back to the Insight Show floor, Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings and I'm joined today by Aman Khan from Dimension Data. Aman, hi.
Hello, Richie.
Hey, good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Aman, tell us a little bit about what you do. Tell us a little bit about what you do at Dimension Data.
Ricky, I look after the data center and cloud business in Europe at Dimension Data.
Okay, very good. And I hear a lot about what you're doing with modernization with customers. Can you tell us something about that?
Well, I think that we can talk a long time about the automation and modernization. But I think that if you look back in the last couple of years, where the industry is coming from, in the last 50 years, from mainframe to PCs and then internet, and now we are seeing a very, very interesting evolution, which is how do you transform your data centers? What does the mobility mean to the users? What are the models available to the customers in terms of energy cost optimization? How do the customers deal with the big data? How do the customers deal with the disaster recovery? So I think there are a lot of challenges, and Dimension Data is very much working with the enterprise customers and service provider business and public sector to support their transformation plans.
Okay. And of course, you're also working with NetApp. Here we are at NetApp Insight. So what sort of solutions are you working with NetApp to bring to your customers?
So Ricky, data center battle is not something what you can win on your own. You do need partnerships. And we got a very strong eco-partners, and NetApp is definitely a very strategical partner in our ecosystem. I think we have been working with NetApp in a number of areas, starting with the converged infrastructure, the reference architecture, the fact that NetApp and Cisco working together. I think that is a very positive scenario which helps us because we are a very strategical partner to Cisco and vice versa. Second area, I think that in disaster recovery and storage solutions, NetApp has got very state-of-the-art solutions which are interesting for our customers. But I would say even more interesting, Ricky, is the fact that NetApp has been moving more into the solutions area. So in the health sector, the solutions which are very specific to health segment, these are kind of solutions which make us and our proposition more interesting for our customers. And this is the battle which we can win jointly with NetApp and with other partners.
All right, very interesting. So, Aman, finally, what's next? What do you think your customers will see coming from you in the next few years?
So I think that if you look at it's like looking into the crystal ball, Ricky. But I think that
try for us.
But I think that there is a lot of talk about still mobility business. We have not seen the end of it. We will be seeing a lot of things happening in mobility area. I think that Internet of Things is going to play a very, very important role. Software-designed networks, software-defined data centers, software-defined storage. I think this is going to be, we are going to learn more about, even as a system integrator at Dimension Data, we have to learn what do this technology really mean, and how can we integrate, how can we bundle solutions around those technology solutions for the customers. So I think these are a couple of things which are going to play a very, very important role: mobility, Internet of Things, and the software design technologies. I think they will play a very role. But at the same time, if you look at the industry, still 70-80% enterprise market has not even virtualized yet. So I think there's still a lot of work in the next 2-3 years. We will see where customers will be making very, very fundamental decision. What do they do about cloud solutions? How do they go? Is it the public solution? Public cloud is the right solution. Is the private cloud is the right solution? And that's where we got a lot of role to play.
I think that's right on. I think it's very easy for us to forget that at this stage, we're at the early baby steps of cloud computing, right? And it's those customers who are, as we sometimes say, on the bleeding edge,
yes,
who you're working with. But the great mass of customers are yet to come to partners like you. So Aman Khan, it's been great to talk to you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Ricky.
Okay, I've been talking to Aman Khan from Dimension Data. This is Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings. Join us again soon. Bye-bye.